here we are with Australian Dan. He is from Australia. If you didn't notice, that's why we call him Australian Dan, because he's from Australia. Straight from Australia. His ear is clogged, so he says he can't skate very well. As you can see, he's got the world's best heel flips. So we don't know how much his ear is getting to him or not, but clearly his heel flips are par none. Literally, Dan is the Gordon Ramsay of heel flips. Someone does a heel flip in the Braille house, and he says, "You call that a heel flip?" Smacks it away. "That heel flip is so floppy, it just jumped in the ocean like a fish." And then he just does a perfect heel flip.
And then he gets the heels of his shoes and he puts them over both of your ears and calls you a heel sandwich.
He says, "What are you?" And you say, "A heel flip sandwich."
Look, that got him. That got him.
Oh, your ears are big clogged.
Has Dan ollied the 3-block yet?
What?
Has he ollied it yet?
No.
The 3-block?
Wait, no. It's not. I feel like the second Dan heel flipped, or no, the second Dan ollies the 3-block, I feel like it will unlock something inside him that reignites the big stuff flame. Because I've seen he skated big stuff before.
Can you re-explain what he just said? He's trying to skate with as much speed down the 5 as he would down the 3-block?
I think that's what he said.
That's exactly what he said.
Oh my God, that was beautiful.
Holy crap!
3-block, just ollie it.
Hey, what do you tell me? You tell me if you just go and do it, it's easy. The same thing applies to you, Australian Dan.
Oh my God!
Woo!
Okay.
You heard it here first.
You heard it here first.
Yeah!
For the heel flip. Oh my God.
Let's go, Dan. Yeah!
Beautiful.
I'm convinced Dan's better than all of us.
I think so.
Literally. Hell yeah!
That was so close.
Every try count, Dan. I love it.
Honestly, if someone was like, "Yo, Ryan Sheckler actually did backside flip El Toro," you want to see it? Or if they're like, "Yo, I got secret footage of Dan skating the 3-block," I would rather see Dan skating the 3-block. This is like a top secret video.
You got it, Dan!
Like, you'd have to break this video out of the vault at Area 51 or something. Like, this is a top classified.
Woo!
FP. He's a man. He doesn't need no ollies. Dan, trying to heel from the 3-block after skating for like 2 weeks and with his ears clogged up, just shows you how secretly good Dan is. saying?
He's like Gohan in Dragon Ball. Oh my god!
Dan's the best. Literally has the best heel flips out of anyone ever.
Oh! Hands down! Yo! Yeah!
Dan does this in less time. He's the new gatekeeper of heel flips.
Oh my god! I thought that was it.
This is like seeing a movie in IMAX.
Dude, when he lands it, I think I'm literally gonna backflip.
Literally the best. Literally the most legendary thing.
You asked me last week what's the craziest trick that's gone down to here? That.
Sweat in my eye.
You need water? You need a towel? What you need? There we go. Oh! I've never seen you like this, Dan.
This is like peak history. It's like the formation of Pangea, the Roman Empire, the invention of bread.
Yes, sir. Oh!
Right there! That was the most perfect heel flip.
Oh my, Dan! Oh my
I dropped my microphone.
Hey, this on camera. This vlog, me next week. Me. I'm calling it.
Leave it in the comments below. Don't let him live this down. Oh!
Oh, God. You got it, Dan. Oh!
I cracked my truck.
What? No! No way. Let's see
What?
where.
Right there.
What?
Bro.
Braille drop is no joke.
Dang.
What in the world?
I just went to ride and it like,
Are you kidding me?
Should we fix you up with a new one?
Yo!
Should we fix you up with another one? And
no, I need hollow lights. I need like these same trucks. I need to do this again. I need to come back to this.
Oh my gosh.
God! Bro, are you kidding me?
You literally had it.
You literally just broke the truck.
I know. I've never done that. That's crazy.
That's raw.
That
I
is
like
dope.
that.
I'm sorry,
Yo,
Gabe.
Thunder, send this man some trucks.
I'm sorry, Gabe.
Literally, the
Okay,
best heel flipper there is.
I don't want to send it on like a different board and like break myself.
No, yeah.
Dude, that is.
No, I was saying we could. I mean, you could get Braille trucks probably, but
Well, there you go. Here's the title of the video. Have you ever seen a truck break like this?
oh my gosh.
I had a board next in line to set up, and then I looked through and I saw that one. And I think it was fate that told me that I needed to set this up today. And I'm the only person with hollow lows. Hey Dan, let me just tell you, whatever, if you have any thoughts in the back of your mind about what happens to my board, it's yours now.
Okay.
I'm serious. You know me, I got boards.
I've seen your stack. It's
You see my stack? I got grip, I got stickers,
You want to see my stack?
I got new wheels. You do whatever you want with that board, Dan. If anything happens to it, I'm honored.
You know what I want to happen to it?
No, what's gonna happen is oh. There we go. Oh!
This is crazy.
You missed the flick. Oh my God!
That was perfect, Dad.
Oh, how'd that feel?
Are you good, Dad?
You all right?
That was beautiful. That was a Picasso piece.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh.
You got it, Dad.
Oh
Got it.
my God!
That was the best heel flip.
Are you all right?
Are you kidding me?
Your best. You got out the best heel flip.
That felt like, that literally felt like nothing. Like I didn't.
You got it. You got it on lock now.
Let's go! Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah!
Hey, this man started skating like 2 weeks ago. For a year and a half.
Oh.
Oh my God. Hey, you know what? Let me tell you something.
Sign
Hey,
it.
Let me tell you something.
Sign it up.
Hey, you know, we're always like, Dan's the best heel flipper because like we can't really heel flip that good, and Dan of course can heel flip good. But he just did the 3 block. That's no joke. And I'm pretty sure he did it like fast too on somebody else's board. That is history right there. That is history. That is history. I'm so excited he did that.
I got big bruises everywhere.
How you feel, Dan? How you feel?
I feel tired. I will say though, not sponsored by FP, but like, I didn't feel nothing. I got
Feels
the
everywhere except for his feet.
Yeah, I got the insoles and I got the shoes. That was for Neen, by the way. He told me I had to do it, so like I'm in person. Neen Williams tells you to heel flip something, you heel flip it.
Damn.
Woo!